crop videos before converting with Prism. Add your video files in Prism. Near the bottom of the application, click Effects, which will open the Video Effects dialog. Click the Add Effect button, select Crop, and click OK. Adjust the crop by using the sliders or select an option from the Restraint dropdown. Fine-tune the crop in the preview window by adjusting or moving the crop area directly. Once satisfied, click the OK button on the Crop and Video Effects dialog. Click Convert to proceed with the conversion. Continue watching for more details on how to crop your videos with Prism. To start cropping your videos, add your video files in Prism. Click the Effects button at the bottom of the screen. This will open the Video Effects dialog where you can add various effects to your video. From here, click the Add Effect button where a list of available effects will appear. Select Crop from the list, then click OK to open the crop dialog. You'll see several options for adjusting the crop. The settings include X1 for the left section, Y1 for the top, X2 for the right, and Y2 for the bottom. These correspond to the 4 sides of your video, and you can adjust each by moving the sliders. As you make adjustments, the changes will be reflected in the preview window, so you can see how the crop is shaping up. If you'd like to maintain a specific aspect ratio, such as 16:9 or 4:3, you can use the Restraint dropdown to lock in your preferred ratio. This ensures that the proportions of the video are preserved while cropping. The preview window will display a dotted border around the cropped area, which shows the portion of the video that will remain after the crop. You can further fine-tune the crop directly in the preview window. If you want to adjust the size of the crop area, simply hover your mouse over one of the squares along the border. The cursor will turn into a double-sided arrow, allowing you to click and drag the edges to resize the crop. To reposition the cropped area, place your mouse over the center of the crop. The cursor will change to a 4-sided arrow, and you can click and drag to move the cropped area around within the frame. Once you're satisfied with the crop, click OK on the crop dialog to save the changes. The crop effect will appear on the command list with the inputted settings. Click OK to save and close the Video Effects dialog. Then click Convert to start processing your videos. When the conversion is complete, simply click Open Output Folder to easily access and view your newly cropped video. For more Prism tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.